How to fix Facebook Messenger notifications on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again. Now just type here Facebook Messenger, type Messenger, and now just click here this one, notifications, and maybe we will find this one like that. Just enable it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and you can manage anything of those like chats. You can enable it or anything you want here, and that's it. It will be solved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.